Ladies and gentlemen, what you're seeing now is called a rejoin. It is tough enough for two airplanes of the same type from two different parts of the airspace to get joined up. But when you're talking about an aircraft like the World War II P-51 Mustang that has a top speed of 400 some miles an hour and the F-16 that has top speed of about 1,100 miles an hour, to join them up is an absolutely phenomenal feat, and there you've seen it done by two of the best. Aaron will tell you about those guys in just a second.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take a moment to describe the history of what you're about to watch. In 1997, the leaders of Air Combat Command assembled a select group of retired military and civilian pilots to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the United States Air Force. From this gathering was born the Heritage Flight, a unique visual representation of the Air Force's history from the days of the Army Air Corps to the present. What started out as a one-time event has grown in popularity and demand. In 2010, the Air Force Heritage Flight Foundation joined with the United States Air Force to keep this popular program flying. And now Heritage Flights are performed at air shows and special events in the United States and around the world.